recording the sewer line here at 1804 Northeast 50th. The date is March 12th, 2019. We cabled the sewer, and now we're going to do the camera inspection of the sewer after cabling. So, got it open. Now we're going to find out what caused the clog. Flush the toilet upstairs, please. We're going to get one flush here so we can clear the screen off. There we go. Alright, now we can see. Alright, so we're cruising down. We're in a clay 4-inch pipe now. This is outside of the house. The clog was occurring somewhere near about 100 feet. So that's the part I'm most curious about seeing. Repair done at some point out there. Will you flick on that shower or something? I need some water on there. This one here is fine. Get the cold water. On there so I can hit a weed flush to it again. There. I'm never gonna see it there. Alright, we're gonna do one more toilet flush here. Alright, now we can see again. Okay, so here we go, your cause of clogs. Massive root here at about 90 feet. We're dropping down. And I'm going to guess that's another huge one right there that we're slowly draining through. Yep. So massive root at about 90. Another massive one here at 92. I don't know if I'm going to get my camera through that one. Yep. So that's as far as I can get out. That root is huge. So I poked a little bit of a hole in it, enough to the point where it'll drain, but sooner or later that's going to cause clogs again. So I'm going to log off here and end the recording. But your main two obstructions are at 92 feet and 89 feet right there. Big giant root balls growing in the pipe.